How to transfer money from Ria to bank account. The first is open up any reliable web browser that you can use on your device because there are three specific ways and how you can complete the process. Now, the very first instance you visit Ria website, you should be able to see on how money transfer works. But first is just go into the three lines to the top right and go to send money and choose on ways to send. In here, you could go send money online, send money with the application, which is going to be Ria, same thing on how the web version of Ria functions, and send money in person is actually a physical store on Ria. Now, if you would like to transfer money online, this is how you should do it. Log in into your Ria account from the application or from this official site. In here, you can change the currency or you can change the country where the money is coming from. Say, for example, in HK, and then it will automatically be converted into the specific country where you will be sending the fund. Now, actual fees and as well as delivery method will be visible on your screen upon doing the transaction, and choose on get started so that you will be logging in into your account. That's it. That is how you transfer money from Ria to bank account.